Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Avalanche, AVAX, tokens from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to manage your assets more flexibly, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and safely. First off, why transfer? Robinhood is great for trading, but platforms like Bitrue offer more advanced features for staking or trading AVAX. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by logging into your Robinhood account. Make sure you have AVAX in your portfolio. Double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so always verify everything twice. Step 2. Head over to Bitrue and create or log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and generate a new deposit address specifically for AVAX. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully because one wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Bitrue might ask you to confirm your identity, so have that ready. Step 3. Back on Robinhood, go to your AVAX holdings and look for the withdraw or transfer option. Paste the Bitrue wallet address you just copied. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 4. Review the transaction details. Robinhood will show you the estimated fees and time. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Avalanche network. A quick tip: always use the Avalanche C-chain for these transfers to keep things smooth and cost-effective. Also, enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your AVAX to Bitrue. Once it's there, you can explore more opportunities like earning yields or trading pairs. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.